Mexico shelters the most beautiful. Their bodies decorate the trees like leaves. They are monarch butterflies, up to 500 million of them. As the morning sun warms their wings, they stir. They've traveled all the way from North America to be here, escaping the cold of winter. Some came from as far as Alaska, an incredible 3,000 miles, to arrive at a place that none had been to before. How they know the way and find this hidden spot is still a mystery. Even here, 10,000 feet above sea level, the nights are cold. They cluster together to conserve heat until touched by the sun. Then, they cascade like autumn leaves. In this still glade, the silence is broken by the sound of their wings. They gather at mountain streams. Water is their only sustenance for the 5 months they spend here. They then take to the air to attract a mate. In spring, they will fly north 3,000 miles to recolonize North America. Over the summer, 3 generations will live and die. It's up to a 4th generation to find the way back to this secluded grove for the winter. And every fall, they do.